Welcome back to my next tutorial. Last video I have shown you how to use MACVLAN on your Linux shell. Now we will take a look how this is done in Portainer. So let's get started. As seen on my other video, Portainer is a really nice tool to maintain your Docker hosts and your Docker containers. So let's try to make MACVLAN working in Portainer. I am already logged into my Portainer E instance I created in the past. If you are using the Community Edition, the steps are exact the same. Click the Home tab in the top left corner and select the host you want to add MACVLAN. I only got one at the moment, so I will take the local one. Right after this, click on the Network tab. There are only the default networks configured at my host. If you already have some running containers, it is possible that there are already created networks. That should not make any problems for our next steps. At top right, under your login name, click on Add Network. In Portainer we have to create a network config before. I call it LAN config. Right after naming, choose MACVLAN as driver. Now we have to know the right network interface we want to use. If you are unsure or don't know it, open a shell and connect to your server. Type IP/A. It will show your interfaces. Mine is called ENS18. Minimal configuration required is to set subnet and gateway. My test subnet ain't got IPv6, so I skipped this, but it is the same procedure as IPv4. Our config is ready. Click Create Network to go on. Now we have to create the network to use it in our container. Click Add Network again. This time we call it LAN, and choose MACVLAN as driver again. Instead of configuration we use creation. We select our created configuration from before and hit create the network. We are done, but let's check if everything is working as expected. I created a stack with an Nginx container like we used in the last video. Let Portainer create the Docker container. We can check if the web server is available on its chosen IP. Everything is working fine. That is how we create MACVLAN with Portainer. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the like button.